Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? It feels like an absolute age since I've been on here and spoke to you guys. I miss you all a lot, and I know the world is just a very, very crap, weird place at the moment. So I hope you are all doing your part and staying at home as much as you can. And while you're at home, I feel like you should just treat yourself to something lovely as a present for yourself. And I've got something to show you. It's an unboxing, and it is of course Glossybox. I'm very, very excited to unbox this for you guys. This is the Blossom edit, and I have seen some spoilers for this, and it looks lovely. I do have a discount code which I will put here for you guys. And Glossybox are also launching something. They did tell me in an email called hashtag It's Glossy at Home, and it's kind of like a social media campaign to kind of bring everybody together in a way where there'll be tips and tricks and advice of, I think it's like from beauty. I think someone was sharing some cupcakes. There's lots of different things you can do just kind of to bring other people into your life when you're at home, because it is hard when you're at home, especially if you're on your own at home. That is really, really difficult. Obviously I'm stuck at home, not stuck at home, I'm at home with Ben and the kids, so I have got other people around that I can talk to. But yeah, let's just get into this. I'm very excited. For those of you that don't know, Glossybox is a monthly beauty box. They have lots of different payment plans. I think you can, the lowest one, if you do it like as a pay monthly thing, you can get it for £8.50 plus postage and packaging. But if you do just a rolling month contract, I think it is just £10 a month. This is sent to me in PR from Glossybox, and I just want to get in and do it. So here we go. This is the box. We're back to the original pink box with the black writing. Right, let's get in. The little card is really pretty, and it says Blossom on it. Let me just check. All people always ask me what no, before anyone, because I always get people ask me what variation I've got. Mine just says PR, so I don't actually know what variation it is. Here we go. So this is the little booklet for this month. Next month's sneak peek is Steve Laurent, and it is a 9 eyeshadow pan compact. That's really nice. You can also get glossy credit for doing your surveys and stuff, I think. And is it surveys? Yeah, product surveys, leaving a review and referring friends. I'll link the website and all this down below for you guys. But it says, hey Glossies, spring is finally here, and we're celebrating the season of change by breathing new life into our beauty routine. Filled with 5 awakening and nourishing products, our Blossom edit includes all of the essentials you need to bloom into a beautiful flower this April. Hopefully there's something for my hair. Expect skincare that is budding with floral scents, lip care that is bursting with botanical goodness, and pastel coloured cosmetics that perfectly complement the season's latest trends. So let's get in. Here it is. We've got, first up, we've got Rituals. Oh, this is one of my favourites. I've had the hand cream of this and a body wash, and it is this one's a softening rice scrub, and it is rice milk and cherry blossom, and it is one of the best smelling things ever. I absolutely love it. What does it say about this? This is a deluxe mini, and it is worth £4.60. Gorgeous cherry blossom scent. This 2-in-1 cleanses, exfoliating scrub is a treat for your body and your senses. Luscious formula blends volcanic scrub particles with nourishing rice milk to leave skin feeling soft and supple. Use once a week, massage it into damp skin in circular movements until it transforms into a soft shower cream, and then wash off. The hand cream of this and the thing is literally, it's the nicest smell. It's so lovely. Oh, I love it. I just love the smell of cherries. I just want to eat it. I'm not gonna, I want to. Okay, next up, oh, you're pretty. Nails Ink nail varnish. Look at that colour. The girls are going to want this on their nails, I guarantee it. As soon as I'm finished, they're going to want me to paint their nails with that. That is a full size, worth £11. Blossom Kisses nail polish. Welcome to spring with this soft pink polish. Delicate pastel hue with cool undertones. It's perfect on-trend hue for this season. It lasts up to 10 days. With a wide brush, it makes it easy to apply. So do a base coat, then 2 coats of that, and then a top coat. That's lovely. Next up, we've got a Sanctuary Spa. Oh, it's a rose petal hydrogel mask. Oh, I'm gutted. I hate the smell of rose, but this mask looks amazing. I can feel it. It feels like jelly. I have just got a friend though who has just had a baby who I can't meet because we're in quarantine. And I'm going to post this to her because new mums all need face things, don't they? We all need some skincare and some love. So I'm going to post this to her. This says full size, £7.50. Infused with delicate rose petals and skin benefiting natural extracts with hydrogel sheet mask, provides the skin with an array of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Together they moisturise your complexion, soothe redness and repair free radical damage. Apply it for 15 minutes and then remove and massage the remaining serum into your skin. Don't waste the serum of any face masks. Rub it on your neck, rub it on your arms, rub it on your boobs, whatever you want. Just don't waste it. It's all good stuff. Next up, oh, this is rose as well. This is Avant. Avant is a sponsor if you don't know. This is full size and it is £92. You heard me right, 92 squid. This exfoliator's luscious formula and relaxing scent will smooth your skin and soothe your mind. It harnesses many benefits of hydrating and antioxidant rich rose extract, as well as softening and smoothing vitamin B5. Massage in and use circular movements and then rinse with warm water. So that's very nice. I just don't like the smell, but that is just me. If you haven't used Avant stuff, I think we've had quite a lot recently. It is all lovely. I'm sure this is really, really nice. I just won't use it because I don't like the smell. The smell of rose just makes me smell, it's like headaches to me. Same as coriander. It just smells like a headache. Oh, Sport FX. We haven't had anything. What did we used to get from Sport FX? We used to always get something from Sport FX. What was it? If you can remember, let me know. This is a lip balm, raspberry and rhubarb. That sounds amazing. Let's have a little look at this. This is full size, £4.99. Lip balms are not only bursting with shea butter, natural oils and vitamins, but are infused with SPF 15 to protect and nourish your pout. Better yet, whether you receive raspberry and rhubarb or coconut. Ooh, look. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Has it got a tint to it? A little tiny, very, very, very slight tint. You can see it. That's lovely. That's really nice. I'm going to get Ari to come in a minute and show it because she loves lip balm so much. That was the box. I'll put the full value somewhere here because I can't add it up in my brain right now. That was Glossybox for April. I'm just seeing if there's anything else. Or you can do Glossybox, be crowned Glossy of the Month as well. You have to take part, post your unboxing on Instagram and tag #GlossyboxUK, and then they'll do 2 runners up and a winner on their social media. So that would be lovely if you won that. But yeah, that was Glossybox for April. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big fat thumbs up. If you haven't already, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe to my channel. I do normally chuck out some videos for you, but we've been stuck inside. We're on like day 22, 23 now of being in the house, which is why my hair resembles Joe Exotic. You don't even want to see the back, it's even worse. But yeah, try and stay safe, people. Stay inside, do your bit to help us get through this quicker. I'm just going to get Ari and show her the lip balm. Ari! Right. What's your favourite thing that Mummy gets? What's this? What do you think it is? How do you put lip balm on? Wet kiss. And then you put some on. You want to do it? Go on then. This one's a little tiny bit pink, look. Beautiful. Do you like it? It smells good, doesn't it? Then look at this. How pretty is that? Do you want your nails painted? Yeah. Yeah. What have you got on at the moment? Mermaid. Mermaid. So yeah, you're gonna say do a thumbs up? You're too shy. Oh, you're doing a thumbs up. Good job. So thanks for watching.